Peace. Nawawalan ka na ba ng peace? Alam ko madalas talaga sa sobrang dami ng iniisip na problema, parang wala na tayong mapagkakatiwalaan at nakapayapaan. Pero may good news ako sa'yo. According to the Bible, if you want the God of peace to come to you, kailangan mong baguhin ang focus ng iyong isipan. Parang counterintuitive, di ba? Instead of trying to block all thoughts kasi hindi mo talaga kayang walang iniisip, sinasabi ng Bible na kung anxious ka, marami kang iniisip, you should pray to the Lord. At hindi lang yun. Kailangan mo pa rin mag-isip. Ano yung kailangan mong isipin? What is true? What is noble? What is right? What is pure? What is lovely? What is admirable? You know what? These are the very things that help us shift from worry to trust. Alam mo, peace isn't about turning off all your thoughts kasi imposible yon. Hindi ibig sabihin na magiging blanco ang isip mo kapag sinabing peace. Ang ibig sabihin nito, kahit busy ang isip mo, hindi mo hinahayaan na ma-dominate ka ng anxiety ang lahat. When you pray and focus on these positive thoughts or truths, pinapalitan mo yung mga worry ng peace and trust to the Lord. Isang peace na nanggagaling sa God Himself. In Philippians 4:6-7, sabi sa atin, do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Think about it, hindi mo naman kailangan talagang tanggalin ang pag-iisip mo kasi imposible yon. Pero maging blanco ang isip mo, pero kailangan mo baguhin yung paano mo ito ginagamit. So it's just like a flowing water sa isang river. Hindi mo kayang pigilan yan, but you must direct it to the proper stream or proper way. Instead of spiraling into anxious thoughts, piliin mong alalahanin ng mga bagay na nakakapagpasigla sa iyo, nakakapag-glorify sa Lord, at sa mga bagay na totoo, sa mga bagay na mabuti at makapagbibigay ng pag-asa. Kaya kung nararamdaman mong nawawalan ka na ng peace, huwag ka na mag-atubiling lumapit sa Diyos, mag-pray ka, humingi ka ng guidance at pag-isipan mo ang mga bagay-bagay na magpapalapit pa sa iyo sa Kanya. Kahit na maraming iniisip, piliin mong i-anchor ang iyong isipan sa mga promises ng Lord. Trust me, kapag ginawa mo to, dahan-dahan mong mararamdaman na unting-unting bumabalik ang peace mo. So if you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, just remember, pray and focus on what is true, what is noble, what is praiseworthy. Peace doesn't mean you stop thinking. It means you are choosing to let God's peace rule your thoughts. God bless you and always keep your heart open to His presence.